All right, guys, so we went drifting at Showtime Speedway last night, and quick rundown before I just jump into the footage. I was battling a handbrake issue. Last week, I drove the Mitsubishi and I had a feeling that my master cylinder was dying on the handbrake. Turns out it was. My handbrake was barely working the entire night. It would randomly work and then not work, and I had to yank the handle like so far back to get some pressure through the lines. So I have a new master cylinder on the way. I ordered it through Works, and then the only other issue I was fighting was overheating. I would go out on track, do like 2 laps, and by then, at one point with the hood on the car, my temps got up to 220, which is super high for the car. And I think Hans was saying when he tuned it, my temp gauge is a little off, so it's actually a little higher. But then I pulled the hood off and I was able to get the 2 laps and have it around 200. Still not what I wanted. I wanted to be able to cool better, because there'd be guys that'd be out on track for like the full 2.5 minute sessions that they had, and they'd be doing lap after lap after lap in like Z's and Miatas, and they're staying cool. But then I'm out here and I cannot keep the car cool. So I'm gonna look into that a little bit more. Maybe need to get a bigger fan on there to cool it down in between laps and stuff. But overall, pretty happy with how it went. You know, it took me a little bit to knock the dust off and get back into it, but I hope you guys enjoy the footage. There is some cool footage in here. I've never had drones follow me and actually be able to get my hands on the footage. So I'm excited for you guys to see all that. I tried the swivel mount. There is some adjustments that we need to make with, I think it's the GoPro settings, and probably in the low light. The light at the track was super low in the middle of the track. So I think with the image stabilization and all that, I knocked the frame rate down on the GoPro, but it is what it is. So I'm excited to show you guys, and I hope you enjoy the video.